guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from the last week's video is... Also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is dish soap. You guys will also need any type of thick shampoo or soap. I'm just using the Suave one. Then you guys will also need a bowl or plate to make your slime in. Then you guys will also need any type of mixing tool. And last but not least, this is really optional, you will need food coloring. I'm just using blue food coloring. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out my bowl or plate and I'm going to add in my Suave shampoo. This is a super thick soap that makes great no glue slime recipes. So I'm first going to add that into my bowl. And I love the color of this too, but it's not the color I want for the video, so that's why I'm going to use blue food coloring. And then I'm going to add in my dish soap. I'm using the Palm Olive one. You can also use Dawn or any type of dish soap. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing it up. I'm going to mix. This is also really fast forward because it took me a while to mix this up actually. And that looks like enough mixing, and now I'm going to get adding in some food coloring. I'm just using blue food coloring because it works the best for the recipe, and just, you know, I feel like dish soap is always blue, so I just thought that'd be good to add. And now I'm going to get mixing up even more, and I can tell it's really thick now. And I also added in a little bit more of the shampoo to make it even more thickened. And I'm going to mix it up even more. You can see right now it's all going together, which is great. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours and mix it every 30 minutes. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay, so it's been about 3 to 4 hours and I mixed it every 30 minutes and look how nice this looks. It got so clear and thickened, and I did add a little bit more shampoo into here, and look how great this slime recipe turned out. I'm really shocked how good it turned out today actually. I feel like this is a lot better than my other ones, and it's like rippable and stuff. Like, I was really shocked by that, but it's really stretchy and clear. And it does have a little bit of a residue of soap that was left on my hands, but that's fine because, you know, it's a no glue slime recipe, so it's not going to be perfect. But here it is, and it just turned out so amazing and clear, which I was really shocked by. And here is a little bit more of me showing the slime recipe. I feel like this recipe works a lot better than just using dish soap because you added in another soap that's going to thicken it up and make it even more slime-like. And it just turned out so good. And yeah, so this recipe turned out really awesome, and I can't wait to see the comments if you guys like this recipe, if it turned out good for you, because honestly it turned out amazing for me, and all I used was Palm Olive, Suave, and a little bit of food coloring to get the color to look great, and it turned out awesome. But yeah, this slime recipe turned out amazing today. I'm really shocked by how great it turned out. Also guys, this Friday the 12th, I'm having an Etsy restock on my Etsy. This is my first restock back in a year, and I have so many new slimes, Christmas slimes, bestseller slimes that you guys seem to love on my Etsy, so make sure to check it out. The link is in my description box down below. I love you guys so much, and make sure to check it out. But yeah, this slime recipe turned out so amazing. I'm really shocked by how good it turned out. And remember to check out all my social medias. They will be linked in the description box down below, as well as my Etsy for my Christmas slime restock. And here is the slime once again. Turned out so amazing. I can't wait to see if this slime recipe turned out great for you guys as well. I'll try to get back to you guys in the comments. But remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!